everyone, how are you doing? Welcome to my channel. Today we will be doing a tutorial on Google Drive. Now, for some of you guys that might not be aware, Google Drive is an app that you can sign up for and you can use it. It's sort of kind of like it has a word processor, Excel, and Access that you can use over the internet, which can be accessed from any computer. So, the very first step, if you want to go Google Drive, is to go on over to Google. Once you type on Google Drive, you click here where it says drive.google.com. Once you click on this site, there's going to be a tab that says you can sign up for a new account. Click on this. You sign up for a new account, you put in your information, and then you download the software. Okay. So once you have Google Drive downloaded and you have it on your drive, the next step is, depending on what you actually want to use on your drive, the next step for using Drive is you can click this button right here that says New. Once you click on New, a window will pop up and it gives you all these options. You can upload a file, you can upload a folder, you can create new folders. They also have as an option on here Google Docs, which is a word processor. They have Google Sheets, Google Sheets is Excel Access, and Google Slides is PowerPoint. They also have a form on here for Google Forms if you want to create different forms. They have a template as well as a blank form. And then the more options that have Google Drawing, which is like word art, Google My Maps, Google Sites, Google App Script, Google Jamboard, and Video Player for Google Drive. And these are the different options that they have on here. So let's say you want to do a word processor, then you click on Google Docs, blank document, or you can do from a template, and then you can start a Google Docs document. Or let's say you want to do Excel Access, then you click on Google Sheets. Or if you want to do a PowerPoint, you can click on Google Slides. Once you click on Google Slides, then you can do a blank presentation, or if you prefer, you can do it from template. So let's go ahead and say we want to do a new document, PowerPoint, word processor. Click right here on blank document. Once you click on blank document, whatever you want to type, go ahead and see that. Once you click that in on Google Keyboard and you finish typing it in, you can go ahead and close that out and go to a different browser. The really great thing about Google Drive is that it automatically saves whatever document or whatever you're doing on your page. It automatically saves whatever document you have, so you don't have to worry about saving it. And let's say you want to group, you have a whole bunch of documents and you want to group all your different documents. They have this option right here where you click right there's a right here on the top where it says My Drive. They have a little triangle right next to it, which when you click on it, it's going to give you a drop down menu to create a new folder. So if you want a new folder, you just click on New Folder right here. Let's say you have a document from your email address, or you have another document and you want to upload it to your Google Drive, then you click on File Upload. Let's say you have a folder, then you click on Folder Upload. So if you have like another project that you have as an attachment as an email, someone sent you something by email and you want to save it to your Google Drive, you just click on File Upload. Or if you have something that you typed on a public computer and you want to save it to a platform that you can access from anywhere, then you can click on File Upload. Once you click on file upload, you click on the name of the file and it'll go ahead and upload it to your Google Drive. Another option on here that they have on Google Drive is they have a Gmail option in case you want to use your Gmail. And on this option, they also have these other options as well. They have a calendar where you can put different events. If you have an event coming up, they have chat, video meet, form on here for forms, and you can just scroll through to see all the different options. They have a photos, etc., a note option on here, and you scroll through and you see all the different options of things they have available, the different apps that they have for viewing documents on here, and these are all the different options that they have on here. Also, let's say that you have way too many files and you're ready to delete a file, you can go ahead and right click, and they have all these options of what you can do with the file. You can preview the file, you can open the file with another app or another different program. You can share the link, get a link, you can add a shortcut to Drive, you can move it to a different folder, you can download, and then they have this option here that says remove in case you want to delete it, and you can also rename the file as well. And that's just of um, a basic overview on how to use Google Drive. Um, I think that answers the basics on how to use Google Drive. Um, the only thing I would say further is this right here, this bar right here is where you type whatever email address in that website that you want to visit. This right here is the navigation button. If the page is having an issue where it's not loading properly or it's not um, doing what it's supposed to do, then you can click right here where it says reload this page. This navigation button right here is to move forward. Let's say you were previously on a page, but then you hit the go back navigation bar, then you can hit this bar right here to move forward. So this is to move forward, and this button is actually, this navigation button is to go back, and this right here is to bookmark the page in case you want to bookmark the page. This option right here, when you look in your top right corner of your screen on the internet screen, they have this little option right here, which is just like a small diagonal in the right corner. This button is to hide the screen so that you can go to your desktop and click on any other program. Then right next to it, they have a square. When it, you can click it to make the screen smaller, and then you can click it again, and this turns into a bigger square to make it larger. And then they have the X where you can go ahead and exit out of the window. Another option is when you have a whole bunch of windows open, such as this. Let's say you're done with this window and you want to move on over to, let's say you're done with this window, you do not want to look at it anymore. You can go ahead and hit this X right here and it will exit out of that particular internet window, and then you can move on to a different page. You can go ahead and browse. Let's say you want to click on a different page, like right here where it says YouTube. You can click there to get to YouTube. Or this tab right here that says Yahoo Moving Navigation Bar. This little black bar moving is a navigation bar. You can sit there and use it to navigate to different windows and exit out as necessary. So that was a brief tutorial on how to use Google Drive. Please feel free to like, share, and subscribe. And if you have anything else to add, thanks for watching this.